Health approach, intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise.
Have you ever finished a fast and thought, I deserve a treat? Yep, we've all been there. But the way you break your fast can make or break your day. So here's some tips. Start with protein and fat. Eggs, avocado, cheese. They're going to keep your blood sugar stable. Sugar or carbs are likely to spike your blood sugar. They're going to spike your blood sugar. And you don't want a carb coma or a sugar crash. And then the third bit of advice I would give before we move on to more tips is keep your portion size small. Just to start with, you don't need to make up for every missed meal that has happened whilst you've been having your fast. You could use broth or soup as a gentle start. Warm, light foods are easier to digest than heavy solid foods, so that might be a good idea to do. But listen to your body, because that'll tell you what it needs. Some people need a lot more protein when they first start breaking their fast. So listen and test how your body responds with the different foodstuffs that you try after breaking your fast.
So day 10 of current fasting window, I had a 22-hour fast, and then I broke that with a small plate of meat with some vegetables, and I had a little gap, and then I had some keto bread. The next meal was salmon with orange, green beans, small portion of potato. Then followed that up by making a keto-friendly carrot cake. The link to that recipe is just in the link above, with some Greek yogurt, and then that was me done for the day. Satiated.
See you next time.